Today Vivo X2 official renders released showing triple cameras and dual screens. Vivo is continuing to produce experimental smartphones under the company's next lineup. After launching the world's first smartphone with an elevating front-facing camera, the company is now working on its successor. The upcoming smartphone, Vivo X2, will come with dual screens and triple camera setup, confirmed by the official renders of the smartphone. The Chinese company has already announced that the Vivo X2 will be launched on December 11. The Vivo X2, featuring a dual display design, won't be the first smartphone to feature such design, as ZTE has already launched Nubia X having dual screens. However, it'll be interesting to see Vivo's approach to this design. Further, the device will be featuring 3 camera sensors on the back along with an LED flash, enhancing the overall photography experience. The triple rear camera sensor will be used for taking selfies as well. The rear-facing display serves as a viewfinder while shooting selfie images. Since there are no front-facing camera sensors, we are expecting a higher screen-to-body ratio with extremely narrow bezels. The Vivo X2 carries a slogan: "Extraordinary dual-screen breakthrough in the future," as the dual-screen design is a major feature of the device. The phone is expected to feature an in-display fingerprint sensor, making it the first dual-screen phone with an in-display fingerprint scanner. While not much is known about the phone's specifications, certifications reveal that the device will be powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 845 octa-core flagship chipset and will have up to 10 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. As for the software, the phone is claimed to offer a new OS experience. Vivo has developed a new version of its mobile operating system based on Android that has been tailored for dual-screen phones. It is also said to come with support for AI-based features.